Hey guys, this is Decelation, and today we're working on the brake lines for the Factory 5 35 hot rod truck. As you see, I got the brake master cylinders installed and the rear end, so I can get a good idea for placement for that, and the front will be easy when I get the upper control arms. But yeah, we're gonna do the hard main routing of the brake lines, and my buddy Brian is here. We're gonna handle this stuff because my dog's a dick and I had to get stitches today, stopping him from trying to leave the backyard. So I actually had to get a much later start than what we planned on, but you know, shit happens. Luckily, my buddy's willing to step up and help continue to build. Brian, say
two good hands.
Two good hands. All right, so we're gonna go get you guys on a time lapse, and we're just gonna start cranking out and getting this done. All right, guys. So you guys have just seen kind of like the time lapse where, as far as we can get, limited on fittings. I didn't pay attention to the fact that the rear brakes, I need to get my own stainless steel braided fittings for this to fit back here, and the attachment points. The kit doesn't come with that, so keep that in mind. But when I say the royal we, because my man Brian over here did 99% of the work. I just sat here and looked pretty behind the camera.
Somebody's got to do it. Look pretty behind the camera.
Hey, you know, sometimes I'm pretty. Not right now. But yeah, so we went through, kind of give you want to show your handiwork? We can go front back.
Yeah, we'll go front to back.
All right, cool. Kind of what we were working on.
Yep, so we got them coming out of the cylinders there. Had to route them down along the body. Got some good bends coming in here, running the front. So where the first fun part of this was up here. There's a lot of stuff in the way, so we had to route all this around the control arms and the front suspension, which we'll be able to finish that up once the suspension's done there. But we got the front more or less plumbed into place.
Yeah.
A few adjustments, a few little S-bends and loops.
We left it excess length as well so we can adjust what we need. And when I finalize it, because right now I'm still waiting on the upper control arms from Factory 5, and they said they're going to be shut down until about May 18th. So, you know, we work around what we can, do what we can. So the back one, you see he kind of routed it down under here through this little hole, going all the way down right here. We came up through this bar.
Into the
one connection.
The male T.
Yeah.
There for the driver's side brakes.
Mm-hmm.
And we got the tubing roughly shaped to get to the other side with plenty of excess over there, so we can put in loops and stress relief to get it over to that side once we get that fitting. And
yeah, once we get the two fittings that I talked about,
plumbed.
Brakes will be fully plumbed, ready to go. And no, those calipers aren't going to stay that dingy, ugly red. That's just for us mocking up and kind of figuring out where we need to go and route the stainless steel cord. But yeah, so thank you again, guys. Really appreciate you guys watching my videos and sticking around. And thank you so much to Brian, who came in clutch when my dog fucked my hand up. But hey, appreciate it, my man. All right, you guys have a good one. Like the video, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button and hit that like button, man. You guys have a good one. Peace.